You're welcome to Basic Science and Technology for GS2 class. In today's topic, we shall be looking at woodwork machine. Let us look at the content of what we are going to be learning. We shall look at the introduction to woodwork machine. We shall look at portable powered hand tool such as the belt sanders, the hand drill, and fret saw. And we shall look at the examples of woodwork machine. Introduction. A woodworking machine is a machine that is intended to process wood. Now, these machines are usually powered by electric motors and are used extensively in woodworking. Sometimes grinding machines used for grinding down to smaller pieces are also considered a part of woodworking machine. Portable powered hand tool. We'll be looking at 1. The belt sanders, 2. The hand drills, 3. The fret saw. Let us look at the belt sander. A belt sander or strip sander is a sander used in shaping and finishing wood and other materials. It consists of an electric motor that turns a pair of drums on which a continuous loop of sandpaper is mounted. Now, belt sanders may be handled and moved over the material or stationary, that is fixed, where the material is moved to the sanding belt. Stationary belt sanders are sometimes mounted on a workbench, in which case they are called bench sanders. Stationary belt sanders are often combined with a disc sander. Hand drill. A hand drill is the simplest primitive method to produce rapid rotary motion of a rod. It consists in holding the rod vertically between both hands and moving this back and forth in opposite direction as in rubbing them. The rod typically is 1 or 2 feet long and half an inch in diameter. The main use of hand drill is to bore holes. Example of hand drill is what you are seeing on your screen. Let us look at the fret saw. Now, the image of the fret saw is displayed on your screen for you to see. The scroll saw, otherwise called the fret saw, is a general workshop machine. Now, it is used to cut and shape light materials such as perspex, MDF, and plywood. Let us look at some examples of woodwork machine. Some of the examples of woodwork machines are: 1. We have circular saw. 2. We have band saw. 3. We have wood lathe. 4. We have power drill. 5. We have surface planer. 6. We have jigsaw. 7. We have thickness. And 8. We have sanders. Woodwork machine. Circular saw. The squaring or circular saw is a cutting tool with movable carriage used in all of the most common woodworking procedure for panel and solid blocks. Number 2, band saw. A band saw is a power saw with a long sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between 2 or more wheels to cut materials. They are used principally in woodworking, metalworking, and lumbering, but may cut a variety of materials. Number 3, wood lathe. Lathes are used in wood turning, metal working, metal spinning, thermal spraying, parts reclamation, and glass working. Lathe can be used to shape pottery. Now, number 4, power drill. A drill is a tool used for making round holes or driving fasteners. It is fitted with a bit either a drill or driver chook. Number 5, surface planer or jointer planer is a woodworking machine used to produce a flat surface along a board's length. Number 6, jigsaw. A jigsaw is a saw which uses a reciprocating blade to cut irregular curves such as stenciled design in wood, metal, or other materials. Number 7, thickness planer is a woodworking machine to trim boards to a consistent thickness throughout their length. Number 8 is a sander. A sander is a power tool used to smooth surface by abrasion with sandpaper. Sanders have a means to attach the sandpaper and a mechanism to move it rapidly, contained within a housing with means to handhold it or fix it to a workbench. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in the next class.